In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get gems in Clash of Clans, exploring both free and paid methods. To get started, you'll first want to open your Clash of Clans app. This is your gateway to entering the exciting world of strategic village building and epic battles. Once your app is open, the next step is logging in with your Supercell ID. This is essential as it securely links your game account to your personal ID, allowing you to access your village from any device seamlessly. After clicking on Login with Supercell ID, you'll see a list of accounts. Simply click on your account to proceed. This will take you to the Clash of Clans home screen, a familiar sight for any avid player, showcasing your village and ongoing activities. Located at the top left corner is your profile icon. Tapping on it will lead you to a section where numerous tasks await. These tasks are crucial because they are tied directly to the achievements you can unlock within the game. Each task you complete brings you closer to earning gems as rewards. These achievements range from straightforward, beginner-level challenges to more complex tasks that require advanced strategic thinking. Now, you might be wondering why these tasks and achievements are important. Well, Clash of Clans offers gems as a reward for reaching these milestones, which means the more achievements you complete, the more gems you can collect without spending any real money. To claim your gems after completing these achievements, all you need to do is revisit your profile area where you undertook the tasks. Here, you'll find the option to claim the gems that you have worked hard to earn. This method not only enhances your gaming experience, but also serves as a great way to build up your resources without dipping into your pocket. While playing and completing tasks for gems can be enjoyable, some may want to explore paid methods for quicker results. Purchasing gems through the in-game shop is straightforward and provides an instant boost to your resources. This is an entirely optional route and should be approached based on your gaming preferences and budget. To sum up, whether you choose to earn gems through perseverance and strategy by completing tasks and achievements, or opt for the convenience of purchasing them, Clash of Clans offers flexible ways to acquire this valuable currency. Remember, it's all about having fun and enhancing your gameplay experience. Enjoy building, battling, and thriving in your virtual village, equipped with all the knowledge you need to accumulate those precious gems.